So, hello students, in this video we are to discuss about the application of superconductors. So, application of superconductors have a lot of application varies to this. It has a vast applications, so many of various applications. One is quantum computing. We have used these quantum interface devices. Another we have used some of switching devices in the mechanical industry, and we are using semiconductors as well as medical devices. For example, MRI, magnetic resonance imaging technique. All we are moved for the taking MRIs in hospitals. Then we are using transport as a Maglev technology, that is Maglev training. So we are using superconductor as a vast application. So it has the application of magnetic field, how that current will be flow without any restriction, that is called as superconductivity. It is flow to the application of magnetic field. So this will be controlling this conducting nature of the property of the material. So it has a vast application. In this video we have a lot of applications. We can only focus on Maglev technology. There's a transport applications. So small studies initiative, we have government activities. So as much of this video we are going to case study about the Maglev technology. So about the Maglev technology, any point we have to discuss with I'm going to present in the topics. So before that we have a small discussion on Maglev technology about that video. So we have conducted this video as a Maglev technology. Okay, so what's going to present and Danish going to present these videos. Next video we are going to with this discussions on. Thank you. So hello everyone. In this video we are to see about the some of case study discussion about the Maglev technology, that is the application of the superconductors. Here we have two students from the DCS department. One is Subhash and that is going to elaborate discuss about some of our topic about the important topic about the Maglev technology. Then we have to present the going to present the Maglev technology as a seminar. So in this discussion, this is a small conversation between the case study application of a superconductor in various technology, especially in the Maglev. Maglev means magnetic levitation train. So these are the two students going to convey their points in a simple manner. So first, Subhash, you have to explain yourself about the Maglev technology.
So as we see, semiconductors play a huge role in it's growing, keep on growing, and upcoming industries, as they say, are actually going to be the next future, and semiconductors are the next level thing. So I feel that Maglev train is one of the best innovations that I've ever found, because a train which can go in the speed of a race car is something that's unimaginable. So I feel that magnetic levitation has brought the impossible things possible. Many information about this.
Okay, magnetic levitation is used for of course it's a correct one. That is a magnetic levitation is working on the principle of superconductors. So the levitation train have a base, and so one of the electromagnet will be working as connecting the magnetic field responsible for the magnetic levitation, so that the north pole and south pole can transverse simultaneously. By controlling these magnet, we have to leave each train above the surface. That was a frictionless movement gives the more fast and effective manner to transport facilities in the Maglev technology. Nice points. This Danish some points.
There are two types of Maglev train: levitation and propulsion. The levitation it generates electric field and they lift up the train. Propulsion, the linear motors produce electromagnetic. They lift the train.
As a two technology can be used for one is direct conversion, one is the indirectly propelling the train from the downwards base. So it has a lot of application. Technically it will be used for various applications. Now so many foreign countries have introduced the bullet train. India is going to construct their first bullet train in recent years. So we have the technology, we have the communication, but we have to go into the industrial applications. Say as a case study, Japanese have introduced already. They are moving successfully running the Maglev train and bullet train in the technology in their cities. So we have to implement this technology to our Indian countries. There are a lot of the advantages. There is a practical difficulties in implementing this technology in our country. So much of these are the nice presentation topic. So even the points of
despite of the practical problems, they are also planning for this implementation of these trains in these new technologies. As Metro came in, discussed this Maglev train, the space train. As we look into these Maglev trains, these are so much of advantages and disadvantages. So advantages in the sense it can go in high speed and it's very safe and secure. and it can hold up to 8 normal train. Passengers can also travel in this, and the train just moves up the lift, so there won't be any stoppages or any interruptions in the track. So it can go in a smooth speed. Looking into the disadvantages, it might need the high budget, and these construction of these tracks and trains might be little higher for our Indian budget. So if they plan, they can successfully implement this train also.
Okay, these are the main from Maglev technology. So many of applications in the superconductor devices. So one of the main technologies is the Maglev technology. There is another technique called as a way of using superconductors for various applications. One is for that way of using for the quantum quantum computers for quantum computing. Next we are using some medical instrumentation. So superconductor have a major applications. One of the main technologies is the Maglev technology. So in this video we have discussed a lot about the information. So we have to going to present one of you both are prepared on PPT and present a topic of Maglev technology in the classrooms or delivery with another session. So thank you for
Thank you.